Hey everyone, Marianne here. Welcome back to my channel. Shana Tova. Happy Rosh Hashanah. Happy New Year. I have a quick video for you guys today, just sharing some ideas, inspiration for decorating your table for hosting for the high holidays, whether it's Rosh Hashanah lunch or dinner or breakfast. I hope these ideas inspire you guys if you're hosting this year, and I hope you have a wonderful, sweet, happy, and healthy New Year. So let me show you guys what I got going on. So I always start my table with my blank canvas, a white tablecloth. I really like using this for the holidays because white is just like a, symbolic of new, cleanliness, etc., special, etc. So I like to use this cloth on Shabbat a lot and when I'm hosting for the holidays. And I like having a white surface to work with when I'm creating a centerpiece because then all the colors I use just kind of pop out from that. And I think it makes a really clean and nice table. So I'm going to show you guys a few different options that I like to do for Rosh Hashanah when I'm hosting. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below to see more. Okay, so here is my first tablescape. I like to call this one the simple and elegant look. In the center of the table, I have this red little candle thing. I actually got this for $5 at my grocery store after Christmas one year, and I thought it would be good for Rosh Hashanah. I like using red for Rosh Hashanah to pick up on the red colors of the apples, and I think it goes really well against the white. And then I have some gold accent pieces from Annie Glass that I like to use on my table as well when I'm using red. Then over here, I just have some honey cake set out. I like to have this when guests arrive. I know it's traditionally a dessert, but I like having something nice and sweet when they come in, because if you're hosting, sometimes people are just like starving when they walk in the door. So I like to have that out right when they get there. This is the round challah for Rosh Hashanah. We've got the candles, and then I have the apples sliced up, ready to say the prayer to have with the honey. And then I've got my candlesticks and Kiddush cup and wine. For the holidays, I like to have kosher wine. I don't have any right now, but that's just to show you guys what the table would look like. And I think this table is a really nice setting for the first evening of Rosh Hashanah, the first night. It just kind of goes well with evening time and sort of that elegant nighttime look. Okay, this next table setting I like to call the fun and fruity setting. I think it's still very elegant and simple, but I think this one would be really nice for Rosh Hashanah lunch because I think all the fruit and bright colors is just really nice for daytime. So I just took the plants I had in my garden, which are these ones. Don't ask me what they're called, and these ones. But if I was going to buy something at the store, I'd probably go for like a eucalyptus leaf. I think would look really nice here, and I might use smaller apples, but again, I wanted to really go with what I had at home and what I was already using, just to keep it really simple and inexpensive. So again, I have my challah. I brought out some kippot and the wine and the Kiddush cup. And then I just laid the apples down the center of the table, and I put the sliced apples in the middle to really center them and make them the special focus of this table setting. I still have my honey jar here, this little apple, and my candlesticks. I just switched to these crystal ones. Again, I think it's just nicer for the daytime. So yep, that is my Rosh Hashanah lunch, fruit-centered tablescape. Okay, then my last table setting is really kid-friendly, as you can see. I think this would be great for the kids' table, or just if you're having a family-friendly gathering at your house. So I've just laid out our Rosh Hashanah books. Again, these are from PJ Library. I talk more about it in another video. I will link all my Rosh Hashanah videos below. Then I've got the kippot. I put the apples in a more kid-friendly little bowl, and I have my honeybee jar that I made in a little DIY video. I've got apples scattered around the table, my little Shanatova sign, and then this little wooden KidKraft set, which the kids, you know, can get into. It's very child-friendly, obviously, tactile for them, so they can learn about the shofar and the candles and all that and touch them and, you know, really play with them and get into it. Okay everyone, so those are my 3 ideas for centerpieces along your Rosh Hashanah table this high holiday season. I hope you liked it and got some inspiration for your table at home. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I have all my Rosh Hashanah content linked below. You can see like DIY projects to do with your kids, lots of recipes and other crafts and fun ideas for the holidays. So definitely go check those out and subscribe to my channel to see more. I'll see you next time. Bye!